So I was thinking of signing up for a premium version of Jira because there are some features that I never really looked at before, although I'm aware of those features, but I want to, of course, also show you. So today, let us do one thing. Let us just sign up for a cloud instance and we will get time to evaluate it. So I will hopefully show you those features that you will only get in the premium version. And if you are wondering what exactly is a premium version of Jira Cloud, you can go to the Atlassian website, and when you click on the uh, option on top called products, you can go to the Jira software. So let us say if you want to use Jira for software development, you want to build great products and you need a tool. So Jira can definitely be useful if you want to uh, if you want to work together with your team, and if you think you need a tool, then do take a look at Jira. So if you go though if you go to the pricing tab on top, you have the option, the very first option, which is very tempting. I have a free account, free version, free instance of Jira which I use, but there are some differences. So let us take a look at what you get with the premium version. There is also a standard version. If you scroll down here, if you want to understand the uh, the extra benefit that you will get if you have to pay, like if you're willing to pay, by the way, the amount that is mentioned here, which is right now $7 per user. For 10 users, you will have to pay $70 per month for standard. For premium, it is double. You can also pay annually if you want, if you prefer that. So you will get, I believe, some kind of discount for 2 months. I guess this is also not too expensive for 10 users, but of course I'm not really worried about the price here because we are just doing an evaluation. So if you scroll down, you can see here that there are things like capacity planning and project archiving, which are only there in the premium version. So these two features are coming from the advanced roadmaps. So with the help of advanced roadmap, you can take a look at what is happening for a particular sprint, how balanced the work is, and if you have more work than you can handle, than your team can handle, you will see red indication on top. And I have made a video on this topic. If you watch my video, if you go to my portfolio or advanced roadmap series, which is actually one of the most popular series on my channel, you can actually learn about it. Apart from that, the project archiving feature is something that I really want to try because I understand the need for this feature. Maybe you don't really want to delete your projects, but you just want to archive them. So this is something that I will be looking at in the premium version. So apart from that, you do have some extra things like project roles and permissions, which you only get in the paid version. So if you are, I think, using a standard version, I think this is also good enough for doing these things like permissions. We don't really have permission scheme in the free version. I mean, we do have permission schemes, but you can't really modify them. But in the standard version, you can have permission schemes, which is, I think, necessary if you want to do something useful. And by the way, for the premium version, you will get things like, and also for the standard version, audit log, anonymous access, which I have no idea how it will work. So it says here that you can give others access to your read-only access to your issues. So I'm trying to I'm trying to see how it will work. You can anyways do that, I guess. No, I think in Jira you have to make someone Jira user. But with the help of anonymous user, will it also consume license? I will try to figure out and understand. And we do have IP outlisting, not outlisting, but IP allow listing with the premium version. So if you sign up for the premium version, you can. I mean, you don't have to pay in the beginning. So let me just try to sign up, and it says here on top, sign up for a 7-day free trial. So let us do that. Let us click on the continue with the Google account, and what I will do is I will try to see in that in this particular 1 week period. I'll try to, of course, quickly take a look at those things. And when you sign up for a premium version, it will let you select your site name, which I can enter right now. I guess I'll probably enter something like Ravi1 because, oh, it is taken. Okay, all right, Ravi Premium. So this is interesting, Ravi Premium and -1, because I think I will probably create more in future. So once you do that, you can of course wait for a few minutes. I think it will not take too much time, but once it is done, you can of course start looking at the premium version of Jira Cloud, which I will be also looking at, and I will definitely show you those features. So let us end this video right now, and I'm creating this mini series of Jira Cloud Premium because I am really interested in those features, and I really want to also show you as well. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we are in, and we will probably continue in the next video from this point onward. So once you create your account, once you create and sign up for this premium version of Jira, you can then of course start doing things immediately. So we will continue from this point onward in the next video. Bye bye.